Okay class, welcome back for second part of this self-practice 8.1. So for order pairs, number 5, given that the set S is 10, 12, 18, 20 and set out is 2, 4, 10, 12 and the relation S is met to the set out by subtracting 8 from S. So for this question you can refer to page 150. Okay, you please look at example 3. Okay, if you follow the question, you're able to answer this question. Yeah. Okay, so for questions A, okay, to write in order pair, okay, the answer for the first one, questions A. So the order pair 10, 10 will match to 2. So you're going to write 10, 2, and then 12, 4, and then 18, 10, and then followed by the last one, 20, 12. Okay. Okay, next will be questions B. Okay, if you use table to do this question, you can draw the table like example in questions 3 lah, yeah. You draw the table. Okay. Okay, like this. So you write S and R. Okay, for S which is 10, it will map to 2, 12 map to 4, 18, okay, will map to 10, and the last one, 20, will map to 12. Okay, last one, the next one, question C, about if you use graph to present the relations between S and R is, okay, we have to know which one is the object, okay, which one is the object, okay, so here, the object is S, the image is R, okay, for object, you got 10, 12, 18, and 20, okay, for the image, you got 2, 4, 10, and 12. So after that, you just draw a point like this. Okay, you join the relation between them. Okay, and then the last questions, D. The last question is about equations. The last question is about equations where you write the functions. Where fx, okay, that means fx is r, yeah, is equals to, let's say here is x, okay, so it's x minus 8. Why 8? Why minus 8? Because it says subtract 8 from the object. Yeah. Okay, next one, questions 6. The following diagram show the function 3x. 3x means you must be multiplied by 3. Yeah, very simple. For the domain means objects. Domains means objects here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, question asks you to determine what is the value of a, what is the value of b, which is quite simple. So for the object 3, after you multiply by 3, what is the number over here, which is very simple. You can write a is equals to 3 times object 3, which is 9, yeah? 3x, we use the formula 3x. So for b is 3 times the object 5, so we get 15. Okay, so this one is the answer for question 6. Okay, and the last question 7. Okay, state the domains and range of the following relations. Okay, so very easy. So about domains, domain, just how I mentioned, domain, the domain is similar to the object. So for answer 8.1, question 7, you can write a domain. Okay, domains. Okay, domain is, okay, you make sure you put a bracket like this, -5, 2, 4. Okay, for A, domain is this number, and then the range is also very easy. Just write all the image, 0, 8, 15, and 16. Okay, because all these are the image, right? Next, questions B. So domains, domain means objects. So in this case, what is the object that involved? So it's just -4, because this line is belong to negative 4, 0, this one is 0, this one is 1, this one is 4. So the domains in this case is only 4 answer, negative 4, 0, 1, and 4. Okay, and the range for this answer is, okay, range means we read from y-axis, means the image. Okay, image you got 1, okay, here is 1, 2, negative 3, negative 5, and 4. Okay, so you got answer. If you rearrange, usually we're going to arrange from small value to higher value, right? So we start with negative 5. Okay, the next smallest value is negative 3. Okay, will be followed by 1 and 2 and 4. And negative 5, negative 3, 1, 2, and 4. Okay, so here are the answer for exercise 8.1. Okay, thank you class. Hopefully you're able to finish your homework lah. If any problem, please WhatsApp me in the group or PM me. Okay, see you again class.